Yeah, they're just getting too big and they're starting to throw stuff around, and you know, it's time to change them out. But they're probably, well, since the 3rd of, they're not even a month old. Since the 3rd of May is when they were hatched out, the 5th of May. So, yeah, they're not even a month old. They're getting feathers, but they're starting to throw their stuff around. So I brought them out here so they can sit in the sun or what have you. But I'll be transferring them into the chicken house tonight. After I get back from weed eating, it's time to weed eat again. It's that time of year for to weed eat the front. Well, it's that time again. It's at the end of May. Is it the end of May? Yeah. Memorial Day's coming up, and we got the cemetery right there. So we gotta weed eat the road here, line here, clean it up for them, make it at least look decent somewhat. So yeah. And, fill the weed eater up full of fuel. Spill what we can. Yeah, always spill. This is the one that I changed the carburetor on. Let's see if she starts. Okay. There you go. Clean that up. See what happens. Gotta find a happy spot. Well, I got this portion done right here. Now I just gotta start on that right there. This right here will probably take a couple hours right here, all down through here. So let me get my weeder back here, and we'll fill up the tank full of gas, and we'll be on our way. photography, man, it's tough. Where to set the tripods and how to adjust them for the good lighting for y'all, and just the whole bit, man. It's just something to be always mindful of. I always feel that gas. But hey, gas is gold. Yeah. Okay. Let's get on with Cindy's mowing the inside. She's mowing the inside of the field. But I got that far. Like I said, now we'll take care of that down there. Okay? So I'm gonna weed eat that, and I'll get back with you. Well, believe it or not, I'm out of fuel. I'm gonna have to go to the fuel store to get fuel to finish what I'm doing today. My big gas can's out. All my gas cans are out. And my little gallon gas can's out. So I'm gonna go get Cindy and see if she wants to go to town with me. And we'll get some fuel, finish this up. I think I've been at this for about an hour. I'm almost halfway through, but okay, we'll carry on. Well, good morning. Welcome to Bromar Farms. This is the 24th day of May again. Yesterday, we eated this bank yesterday. Of course, it's Memorial Day weekend, and we got a cemetery at the end of the road here. And so I weed eated this right here. Can't keep the reflection out of the windows, but I'm trying to get this as I'm driving down. So all the way down this road right here. And now, this morning, I'm going to start right here at the corner of the stop sign right here. And I'm going to go all the way up to the next stop sign up here. And we'll weed eat this today. And I'll try to get this on video for you. I'm going to take this truck all the way up to the driveway here, park it in the driveway right here. That way I'm out of the road and what have you. But I'm going to do the best I can to get this up out of the road so people can get by. Park it right here if I can. That way people can get by. And I'm going to weed eat pretty much of this. I'll continue to show you here. I'm going to weed eat back that way and walk back up here. So we'll start right here and see how far we get, okay? Well, I got this done. I probably got it done within an hour and a half. Maybe an hour and 15 minutes. But yeah, I got this side done right here now. I'm heading down. I got past the stop sign like I wanted to, but there's an area right here that I need to take care of. Of course, it's all trimmed through here. I got to trim a little bit right there around that stump right there. But we got it mowed on the inside of the fence too, ready to cut the hay off. But it's gonna be good hay this year, and old Danny's rented that this year, so we'll see what he can get bales of hay off of it. But this is what I need to take care of right here. That's my next tour right there, all the way down to the next profit line. Yeah. Okay, I'll get the weed eater and start that. I'm kind of out of breath with the, I guess, the pollen and what have you. And of course, weed eating too. But yeah, I got her, finished her up. Got her trimmed down all the way down to the next guy's property. Old Danny's. I got some stuff to pick up, trash and all that tin and crap that people throw over in the ditches. But yeah, need to wash that sign up, clean it up right there. But, yeah, I'm through weed eating for the day. Well, until August, I guess. Yeah. You got, of course, people going down to the cemetery. Yeah. And that's the purpose of this, is cleaning it up for Decoration Day or Memorial Day. Yeah. Thank God for the people that made it free for us to get out and weed eat on the streets and be presentable. Had a neighbor give me a bottle of water. Yeah. Okay. I'll see what. I think I gotta plant some okra today and do some other stuff. Maybe go down and get some watermelon. It's time to put watermelon in the ground. Try to get it done by September. So we have watermelons at church. Yeah, okay. Thanks a lot for joining me.